In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and send your watch list in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a shareable link to your symbols that anyone can open on their side. Make sure you're signed into your TradingView account so your watch lists are available and have the list you want to share ready. First, head over to TradingView and open the main chart interface. You can start from any chart. The watch list lives on the right side of the screen, so there's no need to navigate to a special page. Give the platform a second to load your saved lists. Next, open the watchlist panel by clicking the watchlist icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small list or a set of lines. If the panel is already open, you're good to go. You should see your saved symbols and any custom lists you've created. If you have multiple lists, make sure the one you want to share is the one that's currently active. You can resize this panel if needed so you can see everything clearly. Now switch to Advanced View. This expands the watch list into a more detailed layout and unlocks additional controls specifically for managing and sharing lists. Advanced View is helpful because it centralizes options like sorting, managing columns, and most importantly, sharing. If you don't see the option right away, look for it inside the watch list panel menu. From there, open the Share List option. This is the place where TradingView lets you generate a link to your watch list. Before you continue, double check that the correct list name is selected at the top so you don't share the wrong one. You can quickly scan the symbols to confirm everything looks right. Sharing will create a link that others can use to view or import your list in their own TradingView. Finally, click Copy Link. TradingView will place the shareable URL onto your clipboard. From here, just paste it into an email, a chat, or wherever you communicate with your team. The recipient can open the link to see the symbols in your list. Depending on their setup, they may need a TradingView account to save or use the list. For privacy and compliance, only share links you're comfortable making accessible, and remember that your recipients will see the symbols you included when they open it. If you don't see Advanced View or Share List, refresh the page, ensure you're signed in, and confirm you're working from a standard watch list. Some interface details may vary slightly based on your plan or updates. That's it. Go to TradingView, open the watch list, switch to Advanced View, use Share List, copy the link, and send it.